Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Vital in Lmms. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to open up a web browser and go to vital.audio. Now once we're here, you want to go in and click onto Get Vital. Then from here we got some options. So we got Pro Plus, Basic or Subscribe. So with this demonstration, I'm just going to download the basic version. Then from here we need to create an account. So I'm just going to put in my email and password. If you already got an account, go ahead and jog that into. Then from here, click on Create Account. Then I'm going to click Save. Now you should get the download here. So we got Vital Early Access. Now, depending what version you want to get, we got Windows, Mac, Linux, etc. I'm going to go ahead and download Windows as I'm on a Windows computer. Now, it's going to start downloading automatically. It's basically around 40 megabytes in size. Now, once that finishes downloading, we want to go ahead and run the installer. So go ahead and open it up. So click onto it. Okay, now we want to go ahead and open it up. So open up it, go ahead and click onto yes to run the installer. Then from here you want to accept the agreement, click next, go ahead and click next for installation, choose your destination where you'd like to install it and click on install. Now that's going to go ahead and install it onto your computer. Then once you've done that, it should say install complete, finish installing Vital on your computer, click finish. Then you can go ahead and open up your Lmms and go ahead and start using